Hi, I'm Tom Butzler, and in this episode of Year-Round Gardening, we'll talk about tomato pests. We'll look at ones that are common and how to deal with them. Let's take a look. Aphids are familiar visitors to vegetable gardens. Aphids infest a wide range of plants. Some important cultivated hosts include potato, tomato, eggplant, sunflower, pepper, pea, bean, and corn. These soft-bodied, pear-shaped insects may be solid pink, green, and pink mottled or light green with a dark stripe. Usually wingless, they are about 1/8 of an inch long. Aphids pierce veins, stems, growing tips, and blossoms with needle-like mouthparts. As a result, flowers are shed, plants are weakened, and yield is reduced. Aphids can spread rapidly, transmitting viral diseases. Hornworm caterpillars feed primarily on solanaceous plants, those in the potato family. They include tobacco, tomato, eggplant, pepper, and some weeds. Tobacco and tomato plants are preferred. Hornworms are probably the most straightforward insect to identify. Hornworm eggs are smooth, spherical, and 1/16 of an inch in diameter. Light green at first, they turn white before hatching. Tomato hornworms have 8 V-shaped markings on each side. The horn is on the back end. These species are about 3 inches long when fully grown. Hornworms strip leaves from tomato vines as they feed. These caterpillars also feed on developing fruit. Rather than bore into the tomato fruit, they feed on the surface, leaving large open scars. Fruit damage is less common than loss of leaves. Hornworm damage begins in midsummer and continues throughout the growing season. They are especially attracted to plants under drought stress. The brown marmorated stink bug, or BMSB, has become a severe pest of fruit, vegetables, and field crops. Adults are approximately 2/3 of an inch long and are shades of brown on both the upper and lower body surfaces. They are the typical shield shape of other stink bugs, almost as wide as long. The eggs of the brown marmorated stink bug are often laid on the underside of leaves and are light green. They are elliptical and deposited in a mass of 25 to 30 eggs. This insect is an important agricultural pest. Natural parasitism often occurs on hornworm caterpillars when tiny braconid wasps lay eggs inside the hornworms. The larvae feed inside and then pupate on the backs of the hornworms. These pupal cases are small white projections, like rice grains, on the back of the hornworm. If parasitized hornworms are on the plant, feeding has ceased, so allow the caterpillar to remain so the next generation of beneficial wasps will emerge. If you have not seen this, it is cool and a great teachable moment for the children. Cultural practices help avoid many insect infestations. Plant tomatoes in well-prepared, fertile, mulched beds and properly watered to promote vigorous growth. Stressed plants tend to attract more insect pests. Handpicking and destroying many pests in a home garden is an effective control measure. In addition, beneficial insects are very helpful in controlling insects such as aphids, leaf miners, and hornworms. To avoid killing these beneficial insects, use insecticides only when necessary. Always try less toxic alternative sprays first to control insect pests and diseases.
Videos like this are made possible by support from viewers like you. If you enjoyed this video, visit WPSU.org to become a member today and help us create more content like this.